The probability distribution of random variable x is as follows. X is given, px is given, and then what is asked at the bottom is determine the constant c. We have done it earlier also, constant c or k is asked. There only one rule, sigma px equals to 1. So write it down fast everyone. For silence, for a probability distribution, sigma px is equal to 1. So 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 4c plus c is equal to 1. 0.2 plus 0.3, 0.5. 4c plus c, 5c equals to 1. 0.5 on the right side will become minus. 0.5 taking on the right side will become minus. So 5c equals to 0.5 and c is equal to 0.5 divided by 5. 0.1. Only c is asked in the question. Did you all understand this? Because the time is running out, I am not asking and discussing anything, straight away solving all, and all are similar to yesterday's. Question number 2. Anyone still solving the first? Raise your hand. Everyone has completed? Okay, so look at question 2. Calculate the underlying mean. Mean is asked of discrete probability distribution Px where two functions are there. X minus 1 upon 6 is when x values are 2 and 3. And 1 upon 2 is the function when x is equal to 4. First of all, we'll have to find all the probabilities, then we can express x, Px, and mean is asked. So working of x into Px will have to be obtained. First write the functions. Px is equal to x minus 1 upon 6 when x is equal to 2 and 3. And one more function is that Px equals to simply 1 by 2 when x is equal to 4. Okay. Now see, in x, if we substitute 2, then P2 is equal to, here in x, 2 minus 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6. Understood this? If we substitute 3, then P3 is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6. But for 4, we will go with second function. So if in x you substitute 4, there is no x on the right side. So it is simply 1 by 2. Any confusions with this? Raise your hand. For 2 and 3, we will substitute in x in function 1. And for 4, we will substitute in function 2. But in function 2, there is no x on the right side. So even if x is 4, then probability is simply 1 by 2. Now what is asked is mean. So first we will write the probability distribution. Okay, what is asked is mean. So first we will write the probability distribution, that is x and Px. X values are 2, 3 and 4. Probabilities are, for 2 the probability is 1 by 6. For 3 the probability is 2 by 6. And for 4 it is 1 by 2. Now we discussed that in probability what should we do? Make the denominator equal. So this 1 by 2 we will multiply with 3 by 3, it will become 3 by 6. And you can cross check, the total must come 1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Is everyone clear with this last portion?
Yes.
Now for mean we require x into Px. 2 into 1 by 6, 2 by 6. 3 into 2, 6 by 6. 4 into 3, 12 by 6.
20 by 6.
2 plus 6 plus 12 is 20 by 6. Therefore, mean, that is Ex, is equal to sigma x into Px. 20 by 6, 10 by 3. 2 into 10 is 20, 2 into 3 is 6, so 10 by 3. Any confusion in this? All are clear with it? See, every question there is slight new points, like here this one, functions, two functions are given. So far we have been coming across one function question. Here two functions are given. So directly, if I give an homework, you'll get confused. Now look at question 3 again. There is a new point in that. Procedure is same everywhere, but mathematics is always complicated. So there's new points you'll not be able to do on your own. The probability distribution of a random variable is as follows. Px is equal to x plus 3 upon 10 and x is minus 2, 1 and 2. Now what is the new point? Hence calculate e underline x square, circle x square. Ex is not asked and ex whole square is not asked. Square is inside the bracket. Square is not outside the bracket. So what is asked is expected value of x square. This is again a new point. I cannot give you homework. In illustration also it was not covered. So how to do this understanding? First of all, let us obtain the probabilities. Let on p of minus 2 plus 3 upon 10, 1 by 10. P of 1 in x will put 1. 1 plus 3 by 10, 4 by 10. P of 2, now in x will put 2, so 2 plus 3 by 10, 5 by 10. Any doubt in this? Now, to find the expected value probability distribution, we need to write. Now, x will be minus 2, 1 and 2. But you are asked not ex, you are asked e of x square. So, first we will obtain x square. 4, 1 and 4. Got it everyone? Then, probability of x. That is 1 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, total is 1. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 5, then 10 by 10 is 1. Now since you are asked E of x square, when E of x is asked, we do sigma x into px. But we are asked here expected value of x square. So we do x square into px. For variance also we do that. But then in variance we also do x square px minus ex whole square. Here only e of x square is asked. So normally what is, like for example, e of x is sigma x px. Same way e of x square will be sigma x square into px. Understood this? Okay, e of x is sigma x into px. So e of x square will be sigma x square into px. So x square we multiply with px. 4 into 1 by 10, 4 by 10. 1 into 4 by 10, 4 by 10. 4 into 5, 20 by 10. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 20, 28 by 10. And then you will say therefore e of x square is sigma x square into px. Okay, e of x square is like e of x is sigma x into px. E of x square is sigma x square into px. So 28 by 10, 2.8. Did you all understand this? Any confusions with this? Now, look at question, section D, question 1. Next page, 97, exercise 2, section D. Question 1. As I said, they all are similar ones only, so without discussing, if we solve it, then it will be over early. All of you are clear with this section C questions? Anyone who did not understand this E of x square concept? Now look at question 1 of section D. The probability distribution of random variable x is as follows. Like this question 2. Here 2 functions are given, now 3 functions are given. Let us write all the 3 functions. First of all, px is equal to k bracket x minus 1. When x is equal to 2 and 3, then px equals to simply k when x is equal to 4, and px is equal to k into 6 minus x when x is equal to 5. Okay, so this 2 and 3 we will put in the first function. 4, there is no x, so there will be directly k, and 5 we will put in the third function. Any confusion in this? Let on p of 2 k into 2 minus 1, k into 1, that is k. P of 3 in the first function, k into 3 minus 1, k into 2, 2k. 2 and 3 we will put in the first function. Did you all understand this? P of 4, simply k. In the second function is only k. Okay, 4 will put in the second function, so simply k. Any doubt in this? 5 we will put in the third function. K into 6 minus 5. Here in x we will put 5 now. Third function. So k into 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is again 1. So simply k. Understood this? Now again what is asked in the question is find the value of constant k. So to find constant k, we have to again do sigma px equals to 1. Then for a probability distribution, sigma px is equal to 1. So p of 2 plus p of 3 plus p of 4 plus p of 5 plus that's it, is equal to 1. P of 2 is k, P3 is 2k, P4 is k, P5 is k. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 5k is equal to 1. So k is 1 by 5. Did everyone understand this first answer?
Yes.
Now second what is asked? Find the value of constant k, probability of the event that variable x and then assumes even number. Now see here, in this values, which are the even numbers?
2 and 4.
2 and 4. Probability that x assumes even number means p2 plus p4. And now the probability that x assumes an even number is equal to p2 plus p4. What is p2?
K.
And p4 also?
K.
K. K plus k, 2k. And what is k?
1 by 5.
1 by 5. So 2 by. Now look at question number 2 of section D. Question number 2. Be attentive. The probability distribution of a random variable x is as follows. Px equals to c into x square plus x, where x equals to minus 2, 1 and 2. First find the value of c. So sigma px equals to 1. Again first in x will substitute minus 2, 1 and 2. P minus 2 is equal to c into minus 2 square plus minus 2. C into what is minus 2 square? 4 plus minus becomes minus. C into 2, that is 2c. Any doubt in this? Now P1, c into 1 square plus 1. In x now we'll put 1, so 1 square plus 1. 1 square is 1 plus 1. C into 2, 2c. And P2, 2 square plus 2 in bracket. C into 2 square plus 2. C into 4 plus 2. C into 6, 6c. Any conclusions with this? Now to find constant c, what do we have to do? Sigma px equals to 1. For a probability distribution, sigma px equals to 1 means p minus 2 plus p1 plus p2 is equal to 1. P minus 2 is 2c. Okay. P1 is also 2c. P2 is 6c. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6. 10c equals to 1 means c is 1 by. Now what else is asked? Show that p2 equals to 3p minus 2. See, we have to prove this. p2 equals to 3p minus 2. First of all, what is p2?
6c.
6c. What is C? 1 by 10 means 6 by 10. Mark it as 1. This is the left hand side. Okay. Now right hand side. 3 into P of minus 2. So 3 into, what is P of minus 2? 2C. 3 into 2C. 6C. 6 into 1 by 10. This is also 6 by 10. So from 1 and 2, we can say that P2 is equal to 3P minus. This is what is we have to prove. Any doubt in this? Both are coming same. So anyone having any doubt in this question? You can see every question has one new point. I can prove that was the new point. Question 3. Anyone not clear with this question 2? Now look at question 3. This was like illustration 6. The distribution of a random variable x is Px is equal to k into 5px. You asked this doubt in illustration 6, where x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the constant k. For that we'll have to do sigma px equals to 1. And then mean of the distribution we'll have to write probability distribution. First of all, p of 0, k into 5p 0. Anything p0 is 1. So simply, any doubt with this? P of 1, k into 5p1. That is k into 5, 5k. Able to understand this?
Yes.
P of 2, k into 5p2. What is the shortcut I told you for this 5p2? Multiply two values. Which two consecutive values? 5 into 4. So 20. P3, k into 5p3. K into, now 3 values. 5 into 4 into 3. 60k. P of 4. K into 5 P4. K into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. 120k. And P5. K into 5 P5. K into 5 factorial. That is also 120k. Did you all understand this?
Yes.
Now again we have to do sigma px equals to 1 to find the value of k. For a probability distribution, sigma px is equal to 1. So p0 plus p1 plus p2 plus p3 plus p4 plus p5 is equal to 1. K plus 5k plus 20k plus 60k plus 120k plus 120k equal to 1. 326k equal to 1. So k equals to 1 by 326. Okay. 120 into 2, 240 plus 60, 300, 25, 6. 326k. Any confusion in this?
No.
What else is asked in the question after that? Mean. For mean, we'll have to write the probability distribution. So, probability distribution x, px, and we require x into px. For mean, we require x into px. See, x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Probabilities are k, 5k, 20k, 60k, 120k, and 120k. Okay. K means 1 by 326. 5 into 1 by 326, 5 by 326. Then 20 by 326, 60 by 326, 120 by 326, again 120 by 326, and total comes to 1. Anyone who did not understand why 20 by 326, 60 by 326? 20 into 1 by 326. 60 into 1 by 326. 120 into 1 by 326. 120 into 1 by 326. Got it, everyone? Now x into px. 0 into 1 by 326. 0. 1 into 5. 5 by 326. 2 into 20. 40. 3 into 60. 180. 4 into 120. 480. 5 into 120. 600. Okay, 1305 by 326. Any confusion in this? Now only mean is asked. So simply mean is equal to Ex, that is sigma x into Px, that is 1305 upon 326. It cannot be simplified further. So all are clear with this question? Now section E, question 1. Anyone still writing this? Raise your hand. Yes, look at page number 98, section E, question 1. The probability distribution of monthly demand of laptop in a store is as follows. Demand of laptop market as X. Probability market as Px. Be attentive, everyone. Determine the underlying expected monthly demand, that is Ex of laptop, and find underlying variance of the demand market as Vx. Probability distribution is already given. So X is given, Px is given. For expected value we require X into Px. For variance we require X square into Px. Did you understand this? So write the values. Here no need to leave a line because decimal values are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0.1, 0.15, 0.2, 0.25, and total comes to 1. Right, everyone? Now x into px. 1 into 0.1, 0.1, 2 into 0.15, 0.3, 3 into 0.2, 0.6, 4 into 0.25, 1, 5 into 0.18, 0.9, and 6 into 0.12, 0.72. 0.1, 0.41, 2, 2.9, 3.62. Any doubt with this? Then x square px. How do you find x square px? X px into x. 1 into 0.1, 0.1. 2 into 0.3, 0.6, 3 into 0.6, 1.8, 4 into 1, 4, 5 into 0.9, 4.5, 6 into 0.72, 4.32.
15.32.
Is it 4.32?
Yes. 15.32.
15.3. So everyone is clear with this? Now first, expected monthly demand. Ex is equal to sigma x into px, that is 3.62. Then variance Vx is equal to sigma x square px minus Ex square. Sigma x square px we have obtained 15.32 minus Ex we have obtained 3.62 whole square. 15.32 minus 1004, tell me 4 decimals. Here's 10, 4, 4, and then 2.2156. All are clear with this? Question 2. Now this one is tricky to understand. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously once. So how many outcomes? 36. Okay. Obtain the discrete probability distribution, and probability distribution. We had obtained only probability distribution of the number of dice for which the number 6 comes up, mark it as x. We have to find probability distribution for this variable. First we have to define it as x. Write down, let x be the number of dice for which 6 comes up. Now only probability distribution is asked, but important is to understand the values of x. Let me see how many of you are able to identify that. Raise your hand. What all will be the values of x here? Read it carefully. X is number of dice for which 6 comes up. Renuka? Parik?
0, 1 and 2.
Anyone else? It's correct. Be attentive. How many dice you are throwing?
2.
And x is, circle this, number of dice on which 6 comes. So either on 0 dice 6 may come, means none of the dice 6 may come, like 1 1. First outcome 1 1. Is there 6 on any of the dice?
No.
So either the number of dice on which 6 comes may be 0, none of the dice 6 comes. Or like 1 6. How many dice there is 6? 1. Did you understand this? The outcome 1 6, in that case 6 is on how many dice? 1. And 6 6, both the dice you have 6. Did you understand this value of x or not?
Yes.
On how many number of dice do we get? 6. 2 dice are thrown. So either on none of the dice we may get 6, or in any one of the dice we may get 6, or on both the dice we may get 6. Okay. Now outcomes. Be attentive. Which outcomes? None of the dice there is 6. 1 1 2 1 5. 1 6 cannot be included. And on 1 1 2 1 5 all. Same way in the row of 2 also. 2 1 2. 2 5 there is no 6. In the row of 3 also 3 1 2. 3 5. In the row of 4 also 4 1 2. 4 5. In the row of 5 5 1 2. 5 5. Did you all understand this? 6 row cannot be taken because on one dice there is 6 everywhere. Now in which all outcomes do we have one dice 6, 1 6, 2 6, 3 6? Yes, what is going on? 4 6, 5 6, and even in the row of 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5. Did you understand this question or not, everyone? And only in one outcome we have both the dice 6, that is 6 6. Last outcome. Did everyone understand it? So now we can get the probability. Yes, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 into 3, 24 plus 1, 25 by 36. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 2, 10 by 36, and this is 1 by 36. You can see total should come to 25 plus 10, 35 plus 1, 36 by 36, 1. So did everyone understand this question or not?
Yes, sir.
Now last question of today's section F, question 1. I told you if you cooperate it will be over early. So section F, next page, page number 99, exercise 2, section F. Yes, please maintain silence. Now this is practiced a lot in the last periods. There are 1 dozen mangoes in a box, of which 3 mangoes are rotten. 3 are rotten means 9 are good. Total 12 mangoes. Any confusion in this? Now, and then 3 mangoes are randomly selected. And see, the better part is from the box underlined without replacement. So we can do that formula of 12C3. If Also underline X denotes the number of rotten mangoes. We don't have to define X. It's already defined. In the selected mangoes, then obtain, then what all is asked? And then probability distribution. And hence find the underlying expected value, that is Ex, and underlying variance. So all the workings are required here. First let us obtain probability distribution. X is number of rotten mangoes. Now 3 mangoes are selected. So what all values of X are possible? 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0, you can have 0 rotten and 3 good, or you can have 1 rotten and 2 good, or you can have 2 rotten and 1 good, or you can have 3 rotten and 0 good. All these options are possible. Did you understand this? Now, how do we find this probability? See, here I have written at the top, so it becomes very simple now. 3C0 into 9C3 upon 12C3. Do this in all the questions, it will make your calculations very simple. At the top itself, write it this way, what all things are possible. Okay, so see here, 3C0 into 9C3 upon 12C3. Same way. Next, see here, 3C1 into 9C2 upon 12C3. So if you write this at the top, your calculations will become very simple. 3C1 into 9C2 upon 12C3. Then 3C2 into 9C1 upon 12C3. And then 3C3 into 9C0 upon 12C3. Now we'll have to show calculations for probability only. 9C3, 9C2 and 12C3.
Yes.
3 values only. So 9C3, 9 factorial upon 3 factorial into 9 minus 3, 6 factorial. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon 3 into 2 into 1 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial cancel. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 4, 12 into 7, 84. Okay. Then we also require a calculation for 9C2. 9C2, 9 factorial upon 2 factorial into 9 minus 2, 7 factorial. 9 into 8 into 7 factorial upon 2 into 1 into 7 factorial. 7 gets cancelled, 2 into 4, 8. 9 into 4, 36. And then we require for 12C3. 12C3, 12 factorial upon 3 factorial into 12 minus 3, 10 factorial. 12 into 11 into 10 factorial upon 3 into 2 into 1 into 10 factorial. Sorry, 12 minus 3 is 9. So 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1 into 9 factorial. 9 factorial gets cancelled. 3 into 2, 6 into 2 is 12. 2 into 11, 22 into 10, 220. Did everyone understand this? Now we can simplify this. And after that we require x into px, and variance is asked, so x square into px. What is 3C0? 1. 9C3 we obtained 84. 1 into 84 upon 12C3, 220. So 84 by 220. Understood this, everyone? Then 3C1, 3. 9C2, 36 upon 220. 108 upon 220. 3C2 is also 3. Okay, 3C2 and 3C1 will have same value, because what is 3 minus 2? 1. So 3C2 will have same value as 3C1. 9C1 is 9 upon 220. 27 by 220. 3C3 is 1. 9C0 is 1. 1 into 1, 1 by 220. Total must come 1. See, 84 plus 108, 192 plus 27, 219 plus 1, 220. Upon 220 is 1. Did everyone understand this? Now we can make these two workings. X into px, 0 into 84 by 220, 0. 1 into 108, 108 by 220. 2 into 27, 54 by 220. 3 into 1, 3 by 220. 108 plus 54, 162 plus 3, 165 by 220. And then how do you connect square px? X px into x. So 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 108, 108 by 220. 2 into 54, 108 by 220. 3 into 3, 9 by 220. 108 into 2, 216 plus 9, 225 by 220. 225 by 220. Alright everyone? Now I'm showing it at the top here. Mean Ex is equal to sigma x px is equal to 165 upon 220. Both are divisible by 5. 5 into 33, 5 into
44.
44. 11 into 3, 11 into 4. 3 by 4. Understood that? First I have divided by 5, then I have divided by 11. Variance Vx is equal to sigma x square px minus Ex square. So sigma x square px 225 by 220 minus Ex 3 by 4 whole square. 225 by 220 minus 9 by 16. Even this can be simplified. 5 into 45, 5 into 44. Okay, even this can be simplified. 225 by 220 becomes 45 by 44. Now, what is the LCM of 44 and 16? 44 is 4 into 11, 16 is 4 into 4. So 16 into 11, 176 is the LCM. 44 and 16. What is 44's multiples? 4 into 11. What is 16's multiples? 4 into 4. This is common. So this common 4 into 11 into 4. That is 176 is the LCM. Okay. Now 176 divided by 44. That is 4 into 45. 180. 176 divided by 16. That is 11. Into 9. 99. 180 minus 99. 81 by 176. It cannot be simplified further.